Hey, welcome back to Meditation with Rene. I am Rene. I would like to thank you for joining me for today's meditation session titled Mindfulness Meditation for Overthinking. As always, please choose your preferred seated position, either on the floor with your legs crossed as I am, or in a chair with back support. If you're ready, go ahead and close your eyes, bringing your attention to the sensations of your breath. When we overthink in any aspect of life, what we always can go back to or use as an anchor is our breath. Notice how our chest rises as we breathe in. Notice how your chest maybe falls as you breathe out. The most important thing to take away from this session is that when we recognize that we're overthinking, that is when we take back control. The power is in recognizing when our attention has drifted away from our point of focus, which at this point is our breath. When we acknowledge or recognize that our attention has shifted or we begin to overthink, then when we acknowledge it, we simply and gently bring it back without judgment. Bring it back to focusing on our breath. Maybe notice any pressure that the air is creating as you breathe in and out. Sometimes a simple phrase can help you. You can recite the phrase to yourself as you breathe in. You say, I am breathing in. And as you exhale, you say or state to yourself, I am breathing out. This statement helps bring back to focus your breath. If you are ready, go ahead and begin to wiggle your toes and your fingers. Maybe open your eyes. Great job today. As always, please be kind to yourself, others, and all living things. See you tomorrow.